Select a lock in Apics Barge. Until recently, you had to request every lock usage by VHF radio. Through Apics Barge, however, you can now manage your entire lock reservation online. Once you've created an arrival, passage or next voyage, Apics Barge will analyze it and suggest a list of available locks based on the route of your voyage. Select your preferred lock and slot time and enter your estimated time of arrival. Click the Select Lock button. You will receive a notification as soon as your lock reservation has been processed. Be sure to check that the starting time for the lock corresponds with that of the lock which you have requested. If your ship no longer fits in the selected lock, you'll be put on the waiting list and traffic management will assign you another lock. Before the start of the lock, you can consult the lock plan and the position of your ship in the lock. To do this, click on the notification which you'll receive, or go to the Locks tab in the voyage detail. You can still change or cancel your confirmed lock reservation right up to the time of sailing.